Jab Black, baby. Freestyle for you fuck niggas. If you can't listen to no cussing nigga, might well go ahead and turn me on, nigga. Yeah, Lord, I all been there, bitch. And you can hate me down, nigga. See, we love that shit. Yo, man, we got no fucking time in the game. And nigga 45 had your brains all spilled, man. No. Damn, that nigga Freestyle King, that nigga came through the bitch with that drop 20 beam, man. Them niggas like, damn, nigga hit the scene, man, the blood red, man. That nigga touched the scene, Ghostbuster in this game. Nigga, you know my name, man, the jab bleed, nigga, no scheme ass, man. You can check my attack and check me out. They having niggas rolling around, niggas feeling the cloud. Damn, them niggas hate me every time I hit the scene, dog. This a real ass beat, I had to grab it, y'all. This fresh made, and I'm a fresh nigga, so it's all together. This some fresh triggers, fresh trigger like a fresh fucking block. Fresh out the stove, nigga, while I bust out the box. I had them niggas yelling out, better call the cops. Man, I run this bitch, Duval in the spot, fuck you. Man, them niggas already know my name. Can't say homeboy, but I run this thing. Yeah, all on the block with them things. All in my side, can't even spit it, man. No, kinda crack them out, they watching, dawg. They might see my face and try to hit me on the block, y'all. Oh, damn. Man, my money in my pocket. Niggas wanna hate, but your pussy can't stop it. Damn, the 45 hit a nigga at his front door. Had a nigga yelling out, dog, couldn't steal no more. Fuck it. Man, I gotta take that back. I might have lied on the trash, so I'ma snatch that back. Ain't no hit him at the front door. I hit him at his mama door. Hit him in his throat. Nigga can't snitch the most. Fuck it. Nigga got a hop in that bucket and had a nigga yelling out Southeast. Say, fuck it, yeah.
Fuck the motherfucking mic. Fuck your friends and understand Southeast the motherfucking shit. Right now, my freestyle flow is way off. I got the blunt and I'm ready to spark this shit way up. I'm hot, I love her. I burn your skin up. Me and my boys hot like touch. We the FSK. We the Freestyle King. The flow of the day. And everybody gonna know what I say. I fuck up, then I bring it back. Fuck the goddamn track and everybody know I don't need a fucking damn hat. Not at all. Give me my drink. I'm bending down just to drink my water and fell off the beach.
Fuck it, you kinda catch a nigga dead in that shit, but I had a nigga yelling out no pussy nigga. One ready right here in front of fucking baby and that fucking baby moms in front of moms and that grandma nigga I was in front of son. Damn, that nigga from that bill and shit. Do all kind of nigga shit, I love that shit. I'm the freestyle nigga, boy, you love this game. And Mr. Block stop a nigga, you better heard about me, man. Hey. No mask, homeboy, I'm all in your trail. Looking for the dough, looking for the money, blind. Nigga, I gotta have it spray like that. And they had your niggas yelling out, but he came in black, yeah.
Came black, well, I'm coming in green. I got that motherfucking shit right here up on the scene. It must be a make-believe dream. I got your bitch on my couch and steady screaming for the creaming. Yeah, more like she itching for my semen. Give me some more, I had this bitch for that demon. Me and my boy, we go out. My boy got the chopper to knock your lights out.
Whoa, fuck it. Nigga, I ride for my dogs up in the pen. I mean, Mike Blunts for a nigga all in. Them niggas running dog, they be all in. Me Skeet nigga shit, you know they all in. The boy Bob Visa, man, doing the whole 10. Had a nigga yelling out, nigga, fuck a friend. Them niggas never roll, nigga did a Vizzo. They have a nigga stand out, nigga like a hizzo. Nigga catching my nigga strong hand and scribble though. Nigga, what he mean by the motherfucking scribble though? Same thing your jit do when they fucking scribble though. Scribble that nigga out in the motherfucking map though. Fuck it. Them niggas gotta ride in the game and nigga have a nigga leaking in their own Chevy, man. Take them niggas straight out, take them from the high stand. Had them niggas straight out, nigga wear the triple beam. On his forehead, so many triple beam. They like the nigga got meals on the fucking scene. That nigga want a dog, he don't wanna get it, y'all. They call me Ghostbuster, so I gotta fucking get him, dog. Damn.
What y'all know about this, man?
J.R. Black. Nigga. And my dog wouldn't tell me to stop, nigga. I keep going. I keep going, nigga.
You gotta do this, man, every week until y'all understand, man.
One more. Nigga shit, they call me J.I. Black. This that dumb motherfucker sitting in that Cadillac. Dawn 10, nigga, put your fucking brains on the scene. Throws on the ground, nigga, see that triple beam. Yeah, I like to talk triple beam, that nigga I can't miss. Had these niggas yelling out, dog, shouted on this. Had these niggas wanna go ahead and go get pissed. Man, you see the hate when I spit this shit. Damn, you see the hate when I spit this shit. You see the hate on my hand when I spit that shit. Yeah, nigga. Y'all niggas ain't about that shit. Pussy niggas, yeah. Man, a nigga ride this bitch into the beat and nigga, you better cut this shit. Nigga, shut the system down cause that nigga still alive. I get a whole YouTube a fucking virus now, yeah. Haha, motherfuckers. Child Black in the building, nigga. I brushed the mic off, nigga. So it is what it is, nigga. Duval County, motherfucker.
What we do, motherfucker?
Florida,
Fresh beat,
nigga.
boy.
State shade like the
Boy,
fire.
Southeast.
The state
Couldn't
shade
believe
like
I did
fire.
something so fresh.
The state shit like the fire. Yeah. Hold on, don't cut it. Man,
I got to.
I'm from the state shade like the fire. Nigga wanna cut